Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through professional training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to draw an arc using a two-point arc tool in SketchUp Pro. After you watch this video, you will understand how the arc two-point tool works. I have opened a blank SketchUp architectural model and I will move into top view to demonstrate the two-point arc. Even though there are 3 arc drawing tools, the majority of the time I use the two-point arc. It is the easiest to manipulate. First, we select the two-point arc by either selecting it in the toolbar or the large tool set. You can also type A on your keyboard to get to the arc tool. The A shortcut is only for the two-point arc. With the two-point, we draw the baseline first and then pull our edge to make the bulge. Let me show you. First, left-click in this model space and move your cursor to the right a certain distance along the red axis. Notice the baseline is dashed and is red, telling you that you are on the red axis. If your line is black, then simply click the right arrow on your keyboard to lock in the red axis. This dashed line tells you that you are drawing a hidden line that isn't really a line. The endpoints of the line give you the start and end of the arc. Left click to end the dashed line and now pull your mouse either forward or backward. Notice you are pulling the arc bulge the distance you want the arc to bend. You should see the green line telling you that you are creating the arc on the green axis. To place the arc bulge, I simply click the left mouse button. You may notice that a face did not form automatically. This is because I haven't actually created a complete circuit of edges. To do so, I would need to draw a straight line from one end to the other. I can do this by selecting my pencil, moving to the end point, clicking, moving over, and clicking the other side. I now have a face. Hit spacebar to get out of the command. I can also create a vertical arc using the same steps. This time I will orbit around to the front. I will pick the A on my keyboard to demonstrate the shortcut. I start at one point. I want to go up the blue axis for the vertical. I'm going to lock that in by using my up arrow on my keyboard. When I go the distance I want to go, I click. I want to pull to the right along the red axis, and it tells me I'm on the red axis. And then I simply click to set my bulge. Hit the space bar to get out of the command. Now hit the pencil and we can finish off so that we have a face. Once we have a face, we can then move into 3D. Now this concludes this quick SketchUp tutorial on the two-point arc tool. I covered the other 2 arc tools and the pie tool in our SketchUp for Beginners course. You can get a sneak peek of the course by visiting our website at gainteriorsolutions.com/SketchUp. You can also sign up for free access to our library of tips and tutorials on using SketchUp. Access to the library is free, and we are adding more helpful resources every month. And as always, feel free to subscribe to our channel and share it with others.